Hello again, people! A new day and something else to fix. You know, fixing and refixing. And what I want to do today is to have these capacitors checked. And you see, this is the speed control module. I'm looking for this and this and this. 3 capacitors. Get rid of this for now. Maybe I should try to take the capacitors out now. It's much easier than when the board is out. Right down. So this one, it's 330 on 10 volts with plus there, plus here. Of course, new solder. Okay, and this is 680 micro on 25 volts, plus is there. And we have another one right here. And plus it's down there. This is a 220 on 25 volts. Oh, that's a transistor, AC128. Man, AC, that's a germanium transistor. What the heck? This particular one was made in 1984, but the schematic is far older, so they're still using germanium transistors. 294. You see, this is one of the reasons why I should change these guys. The capacity, it's way higher, which is impossible. 596 instead of 330. Oh man, are you kidding me? 714 should be 680. Okay, these guys are well gone. Well. Okay, for the big one, 220 on 16 volts. That's on 25, okay. You know something, I'm gonna use a 2200 for the big one, the main one, let's say. You know, doesn't hurt. I can tell you from my experience that it's not a problem. It's not at all. So let's plant these things in here. I got the minus. Let me take this out. Let's not forget about having a photo before with all the connections, wiring and so on. There we go. We can work nice and easy. Some wiring, of course. I can't believe it. It's just a matter of microns. You know that old say, measure twice and cut once. It's very, very true. It's really true. Look there. Fantastic. Finally. Good. Okay, that's done. Next, 330. I said I'm gonna use 470. This one here. But let's put this one first. It's going like this. That's the plus. Good. And then I'm coming with a piece of wire and down there. Like that. And 300 and I said I'm gonna use this one minus and plus. Hot glue ready. This is good, this is good, this is good. Okay, hot glue, of course. It's better to be secure. So this is done. Now let me see what I can do with this little module here. It's clean. Let me check that. Plus it's down. 10 micros on 25 volts. That shouldn't be a problem. Okay. You see, I'm trying to replace these guys, but I can't find the value. Here is supposed to be 1.5 microfarads. Let me check the schematic a bit. That's the speed control. Okay, and we have 0.47 at the input. Okay, and that's the one for sure. I got a transistor here. Okay, now I believe 1, 2, 3. We got 3 transistors here. And the big 470, 1.5. It's alright, it's at the base. 4.7 will be okay. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Yes, people, we are done. There it goes. I still don't understand what's the story with these guys. Screws back. We are so good here. Let's see something. Okay. So in fact, the red one from here. By the schematic, I don't think this intends to stop the motors. It's more like having a diode in series, you know, getting the voltage down and to have a kind of standby working, a kind of electric brake and so on. It's not meant for stopping the motors when the tape is over. Okay, let's put it back for now and let me give a try. Okay, power on. Whoa. But it's all low. It's also redo that. How can we fix this? Very simple. You see, we have to cut the tape in the same time, so we have really nice terminals, one into another, and we have to apply the tape on the top. Okay, to be sure that we have a really good bond, we'll do something like that. So this is okay, and that's perfect. Okay, now carefully we have to cut the excess, the extra tape. Oh, I put a lot, but we can do that very easy. And it's done. What about the other side? Perfect. Just fine. Okay, I did it right. Yes, it's okay. Yeah, it's working. I love this mechanic, it's so quiet. So quiet. Okay, so that's it for today. Bonanza! You see, I fixed the tape, I fixed the capacitors and the motor control unit, and also what I found, some of the capacitors was really bad, so I had to replace those. I think that's it for today. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, like my video, push the like button, of course, thanks to my sponsors, and I'm waiting your comments. I'll be back with some more. It's a lot of work about this guy, but it's working, you know, it's really working. Okay, see you soon.